My name is Matt Webb. I'm a civil structural engineer at CLC Engineering. I'm going to talk today about transmission and distribution line design. At CLC Engineering, we're focused on providing our clients with top-notch service and results-driven solution to make sure that their transmission and distribution line projects turn out exactly how they want them to. We have experience designing transmission lines up to 138 kV and distribution lines up to 34.5 kV. We have designed transmission and distribution lines across the United States over a variety of terrain. We use the industry-leading software PLS CAD to design the transmission line and its associated program PLS pole to design the actual structures that hold the lines. This robust suite of software allows us to design the entire transmission or distribution line and any existing or proposed lines that may cross the right-of-way. We work with our customers to determine any design concerns that require additional attention during the design phase. We then combine the client's design criteria with industry standard criteria for the specific geographic location and voltage class of the line that we're designing. Using traditional survey information or LiDAR information, we're able to accurately model the existing terrain that the transmission or distribution line will have to traverse. The design process typically begins by inputting the survey information into a PLS CAD model and laying out the alignment that the transmission or distribution line will follow. Once a right-of-way alignment has been established, structures and lines can be inserted into the model to build the transmission or distribution line. Much of the equipment, such as insulators and cables, are provided by manufacturers in pre-made tables. These pre-made libraries are checked for accuracy before they're inserted into the model. Any equipment that isn't included in a pre-made library is obtained from the manufacturer and inserted into our library. This allows us to reuse the equipment on subsequent projects. Weather and conductor sag tension information is added into the PLS CAD model. Depending on the amount of detail in the survey, PLS CAD allows us to model the blowout conditions to determine if any existing features will be affected by conductor blowout. The completed model allows us to check the adequacy of the design, including the strength of the equipment and the structures. The model also allows us to check the adequacy of the sag and tension of the conductor to make sure that it doesn't fall below clearances. In addition to modeling new transmission and distribution lines, we also have the capability to model existing overhead lines in order to determine if they meet the client's needs. Any deficiencies with an existing line can be identified and a solution can be proposed to the client to ensure that the existing line meets the design code currently used as the industry standard.